All right. We are live once again to play some more GMTK Jam games. All right. So this is my submission here. This is Ace of Sphynx. And let's start off the stream by playing this and see. We'll wait for people to come on in. All right, then. Let's go ahead and play this game. My game. And then I also owe Gradian a redo on Hands Off because I didn't read the instructions and didn't play it right. So I'm going to play that again as well. But yeah, let's see here. Should probably tweet this out. Copy link. Let me tweet this out on Twitter real quick. All right, then. Let's see if this, is this not working? Come on, Nightbot. I guess that's not working. Cool. Participants. Yeah, Nightbot's not in here. Oh boy, technology just doesn't work sometimes. Let me check out my moderators list real quick on YouTube. Let's get the game started in the meantime. Yeah, I don't know how to make Nightbot work on YouTube. Oh, there it goes. Hey. All right, it is working. All right, sweet. All right, so let's get the stream started now, finally. All right, so this is my entry. This is Ace of Sphynx, which admittedly is not a great name, but it's the best I could come up with, so... You can play this game. The link is in the description. I appreciate all ratings and all comments, so just let me know. And let me know what you think. Feel free to be as critical as you want to be. I've already gotten some really good feedback in terms of the handling and the mechanics. Some very interesting ideas and proposed solutions for some of the mechanical issues. Uh-oh, is Nightbot just gonna spam now? Hello, Ego Pos. I don't know how to say the second part of your name. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I really like how the barrel enemies turned out. I managed to implement those in like an hour and a half. Maybe an hour. I got everything else on my to-do list done, and I still had a couple hours until the deadline, the submission deadline, so I really worked hard and fast to get the barrels in, and I'm glad I did because it breaks up the monotony of the game quite a bit. And always having those sort of like berserker enemies that just run straight at you always makes things a little bit interesting. Thinking about continuing to work on this game and make it into like a real roguelike. I think that might be kind of cool. I have to nail the remaining mechanical issues though first, but otherwise, a lot of people were saying that what I should have done is punish the player for using the wrong dice on, or wrong die on the enemy. And I'm curious to see how that will work out, because that's either going to be really cool or really frustrating. And I don't know which one until trying it out. Hello, Gradian. Welcome to the stream. I'm going to play your game, Mr. Skeleton Face Guy. Yes. Oh, speaking of Skeleton Face Guy, I gotta put my logo back in the corner. There we go. Gradian, I'm gonna replay your game after this playthrough of my game, because I didn't read the instructions and so didn't do a fair playthrough of your game. So I'm going to redo that, and then I'll re-rate your game as well and update my comment. But yeah, if anyone else wants to submit, you could type !submit, and Nightbot should give you the link. All right. I died at my own game. Are the dice only good to do damage, or can you open loot and other stuff with them? There's no loot or anything, so they're just damage. So there's just enemies, and they shoot these projectiles. Unfortunately, the boss fight lags quite a bit in the web version of the game. So, but yeah, the dice are just for damage. That's it. And you have to hit a matching dice, so I have to hit this boss with a 1 in order to do more damage to him. Oh no! Getting a lot of lag on that. Alright, cool. And that's it. So that's Ace of Sphynx. Feel free to play it. Just be warned, you may encounter lag on the web version, but you can download it for all of the major platforms, so... Cool. All right, that was the game. All right, Gradient, let's move on to your game and replay it. So, hands off. All right, let's go. So, how to play. I don't know if I clicked this when I played the first time, but I must have missed the arrow keys here. So that was my bad. But I don't think it would hurt if you did add like WASD support as well. It's just icing stuff. If there's a way that you can support both key schemes, then might as well do it, in my opinion. But that was also my fault for not reading the instructions, so... Press space to catch any floating dice. Higher the number. Okay. So, the part that I was missing is how to move. So, let's do this. There we go. Yes, this is much better being able to move now. Oh, I caught a freaking bomb. Okay, yeah, this is a lot more interesting now because the levels kind of tricky too. Like I like how you included obstacles here so that you kind of have to chase the things around. Shop. Bigger is better. Oops. What could be cool is if you press space when there's 2 dice right on top of you, if you could just grab them both. Because I just noticed that I only grabbed the one. So I would think that would be kind of fun. A little optimization for the player. Let's do double points. Are the dice getting faster as well? Seems like it. Oops. Okay, so spamming doesn't work. Oops. Whoa. Wow, I wonder how big these can get. Let's keep going and see. Nobody noticed that you can press the text in the shop. Oh, you can. Does that just use the... Does it do anything, or does it just buy the thing? Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's a question. What is my incentive for trying to grab things when they're in this state? Because I could just sit here and not do anything. Okay, so that's as big as it goes. What's up, Tactical Pizza? Yeah, so see, when it gets really hectic like this, as a player, I could just do nothing and I don't lose, right? I don't know how you could address that. Oh my goodness. Oh. Sweet, so I have all the upgrades. Cool. All right, yes, this is much more fun now that I can move around. Oops. Hello, Lanky387. Welcome back to the stream. Good to have you here. Got another night of GMTK games going on. Hoping to get some people in here to submit their games. Otherwise, I'm just going to go... I can take recommendations from you all. If you found a game that you really like that you want me to play on stream, I can do that. I might just browse the submissions for GMTK and find something that looks appealing. There was one that some viewer yesterday sent that was called like No Way to Die or something. I have it bookmarked, so I'm gonna go check that one out. A non-GMTK jam game. Sure, why not? I will say though that if GMTK games start to come in, we'll probably prioritize those. But yeah, if you want to submit... Actually, I think as long as it's on itch.io, the form will work. I have like validation in place to check if it's an itch.io link. So, otherwise you could just tell me how to find it. That will work too. Cool. All right, so I'm assuming that this game then is just get as high a score as possible without dying. So I guess, yeah, okay, so now that I understand how the game is supposed to be played, my critique in this case would be to have some sort of pressure for the player to actually catch the dice. Like, it would be almost interesting if your health was just steadily depleting or something like that, and you had to catch the dice to stay alive. To add, you know, add some pressure to the player, because, like I said, I could just sit here and just be happy with my score, and I don't get punished for doing nothing, right? So, that would be my main critique, is think about maybe how you could get the player to engage with the mechanics, like, basically force them to engage with the mechanics. But otherwise, yeah, very cool. You made one for the GeoJam 2022. I don't know what that is, the GeoJam. Cool, thanks again, Gradient, for sharing your game. I'm glad that I was able to play it correctly this time. All right, so I'm gonna update this. All right, looks like Tactical Pizza has submitted Dice Drop, so we'll play that one next as well. I'll just finish my feedback here. All right, then. Let's take a look at Dice Drop by Tactical Pizza. Drop the score over time for each non-bomb dice present on screen. That's a cool idea, yeah. Yeah. And it's also true that it would be kind of difficult to make that mechanic very clear to the what you call it? To the player. But cool. All right, so we got Dice Drop here by our very own Tactical Pizza. So let's take a look at this one. All right. A game about rolling down through courses. Ooh, okay, this sounds like it's going to be fun. Where with enough speed can become quite chaotic with random power-ups assigned. Modeling code and sound. Okay, so you did basically everything. That's cool. Textures for walls and environment are from ambient. Okay, sweet. So yeah, you basically did everything. Okay, awesome. I will download this. Dicedrop.exe. Here we go. Oh, wrong window. All right then. I'm gonna make very close. I'm gonna pay very close attention to seeing if there's any tutorials in game before I jump into it. All right, so let's start the game. Level 1, A and D or arrow keys to change, select a level, enter to play level. All right, well, I guess we'll start with level 1 then. Enter. Okay. Grow. How do I... Oops. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay. Did I miss something about the controls? Am I just using, like, WAS and D to move? Did I miss that? Okay, so I got jetpack activated. Okay, I see. Go! Okay, now grow. Okay, so these are just being applied randomly. And I'm assuming that each... Ooh, I'm shrunk. I'm grown. What is happening? Speed increase. Jetpack. Alright, awesome. I don't know how I lost the first time. Also, the camera... Can I angle the camera? Because right now I can only see the floor. You stop... Okay, so if I stop rolling, that's when I die. Gotcha. Okay. So yeah, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I can't see where I'm going. Game is called Screen Split. Is that on itch.io, Lanky? Oh, I see the ramp. Okay, here we go. Okay, we got chess pieces. No! Okay. Interesting. I wonder why it's not letting you submit. Okay, so my immediate feedback here is... Oh, there we go. Dice destroyed. Okay, so I can't hit those. So my immediate feedback is I want to be able to see where I'm going. The camera makes it very difficult to, like, try to move or plan ahead. Okay, so I can actually just go, like, back and forth to keep going. Alright. Jetpack is what I want. That makes me go really fast. There we go. Now I can't hit those those chess pieces, rather. Alright, I can't get past this. Shrink. Speed increase. There we go. There we go. Okay. Nope. Almost had it. Yeah, so I understand what you're doing with the random upgrades here, but sometimes it feels like I will fail the level just because I got bad RNG. So maybe what you could do instead is make it the same order every level. Because I don't really think it needs to be random. Because if you make it the same order every level, then you can... Number one, I can get better at the level every time I play it because it's the same thing. But number two, you could probably have an easier time designing the levels as well because you've got a little bit of control over what the player's experiencing. Dang. It is very fun when you get to go fast, though. So I think I had this feedback for another game yesterday as well, which was It's fun to go fast, and so I would just lean into that and just make that the entire point of the game. Also, I don't know if it's my screen's refresh rate, but the graphics are jittering quite a bit. I don't think it's showing up on stream, so that's good. But yeah, I've got a 144 hertz monitor, and this is, I don't know, there's like ghosting around the die. But that's probably just a Unity issue. Ooh. Oh! Nope. Not quite there. There we go. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling good about this one. Feeling good. Okay. So, another piece of feedback is I would make the hazards, the chess pieces, make those hitboxes a lot smaller. Just bias it in favor of the player. Dang, that's tough. Let's see if I can get to the end of this one here. Mess is retracted. Hello, Harry Sphynx. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you here. Okay, did I make it? Nope. And then the other thing, I know I'm saying a lot about this game, but the other thing I would say is maybe smooth out the difficulty curve a little bit, because the first level was pretty easy, and now this level is just like I just got stuck on it immediately. But I like the concept. I like the concept of cycling through power-ups and then having to manage that as a player and also going very fast. Like, that's a cool idea. So, yeah, I think just with a couple of tweaks, it can feel very, very, very good. All right, let me try again. I really want to beat this level. Yeah, see, that's fun right there. Getting fast, going down. Yep, there we go. See, I want that to be easier to happen. I want, as a player, that's what I want to do all of the time. So I would just, yeah, my main suggestion would be just to lean into that and make that the whole focus of the game. Ooh, big chess pieces. Oh, yes. Okay, all right. Am I going to be able to make it? This is a cool little corridor here. See, this level feels a lot easier than the other one. I don't know if I just got lucky or what, but... Come on. Yes, there we go. Oh. Come on, stay up. I gotta keep moving. Don't stop. Come on, jetpack, come on. Bro, what happens if I just go down? It doesn't appear like the power-ups are cycling anymore, so is it based on the amount of score I have or something? Let's try it again. Ooh. Okay. All right. Yes, there we go. Can I make it to the end? Oh! Dang. Okay, well, I think, yeah, we'll stop with this one there, but yeah, very cool idea. I've already given you all of my my feedback, So yeah, I think this is a lot of fun. Like the core here is a lot of fun. So there are just a couple of like quality of life changes that you can make to push it over the edge. So thank you for sharing your game, Tactical Pizza. That was Dice Drop. I guess we'll just finish up this level here. I'm doing pretty well. I feel like the end is just up there. All right, cool. Well, thank you. Thank you for sharing that. That was great. That, again, was Dice Drop. So I'm going to go ahead and give this game a rating. And then the next one we're going to do is we'll get to the GeoJam game, Lanky, but we've got one more in the queue here for GMTK, so I'll prioritize those. And then we'll get to that one. All right, the next one is Roll the Pattern. And this one is by Calendar. Cool. So we'll get to that one after I'm done doing this rating. Awesome. All right, here we go. So we've got Roll the Pattern. All right, let's see. Very nice itch page. Roll the dice by clicking and swiping in any direction. Form the patterns and the dots. Form the patterns of dice dots with the dice to make them disappear. Your goal is to eliminate all the dice. Okay, so it's like a puzzle / strategy game. It looks like you can enter into the free look mode by holding right mouse button and dragging the mouse. Awesome. See if we can do full screen here. Oh, very cool little menu here. All right, play. Oh, okay, I see. I like that you added a free look mode. That helps a lot because now I can actually see what sides of the dice I'm looking at. Very simple idea, but executed very well. And simple's not a bad thing either. Like, it's easy to understand as a player, easy to jump right into, and it's just immediately engaging, so that's really good. Oh. Okay, so I have to make sure not to match up too inadvertently. Okay, so let's do this. I need a 4 now. Nope, that's a 2. Am I going to get a 4? Nope. Let's see. There's a 4. Ugh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, did I do something wrong? Oh, does it need to be 2s always? Wait, I gotta read the instructions again. Form the patterns of dice dots with the dice to make them disappear. Your goal is to eliminate all the dice. Should I be using this as a cheat sheet? So there's, okay, so I need to match up a certain set of numbers. Is there a way to discern the pattern from within the game, or should I just look? Let's see. So level 3, I need to do 3. 3s from the top left to the bottom right. Okay. If there's no way for me to discern like the pattern I need to match as a player, then maybe just include these images like on the level UI somewhere, you know? Because then I won't have to go to the game page to look. There we go. So is this one 4s now? Yeah, I don't know what patterns I'm supposed to do. All 4 together. Oh, it's based on the number. Oh, okay. So level 2 is match 2s, level 3 is match 3s, 4s, match 4s. Okay, that's what I was missing. Okay. I got it. All right, let's match some 5s now. Nope. There we go. There we go. And oh, did I do it wrong? Wait, is there supposed to be a... There's only 4. Do I have to match 4s again? Oh, is it based on the number of dice that I have? Okay, hold on a second. Right, okay, so if I have 4 dice, so it's not based on the level, it's based on the number of dice. I'm pretty sure that's it. So if I have 4, I need to match 4. Did I finally... Got it, okay. Now I understand for good this time. I'll keep that 5 there because that's what we already want. Okay, right. I need to put them together, not at the corners. There we go. Very cool. Yeah. Now that I've figured this out, I'm liking this a lot. Pretty chill puzzle game. Pretty simple idea, but executed very well. And that's perfect because, yeah, like I said, as a player, you can just jump right in and start playing. And yeah, I like that a lot. What am I doing? There we go. One more. Here we go. Oh. Hey. Okay, fours again. Where is the 4? There's a 4. The controls feel really nice too, like the clicking and dragging feels very satisfying. Hello, Ivan. Welcome back to the stream. Good to see you. There we go. Oops. Got the stream going a little bit more professional tonight. I've got a Google form and everything. Oh, there we go. Boom. Oops. Okay, so 4s. A lot of 4s in a row. So I think I would have liked to, just as a sequencing issue, just make, vary it up a little bit in these past couple levels that I've done. Whoops. Oh, look at that. I finished it anyway. Okay, sweet. So that was it. Awesome. Very cool game. Nice work. Very well presented. Looks nice. Plays nice. The concept is simple but engaging. Not much else to say other than nice work. That was a fun game. Thank you for sharing with the stream. Okay, so that one was Roll the Pattern, and that was by Kalender Gulbadak, if I pronounced that right. mbq.itch.io. So everyone go ahead and play that. I suppose I should start linking. How do I pronounce your name? Are you? I don't know. All right, so there's the Roll the Pattern, and I'm gonna link the other ones that I've played so far too because I haven't been doing that. So we played that one. We played Dice Drop by Tactical Pizza, and we also played. Oh wait, I think that's it. Oh no, we played Hands Off again by Gradian. So let me find that one. Whoops. Yeah, so we played Hands Off again as well. So there it is. Cool. I'm going to give Roll the Pattern here a rating really quick. And then I will queue up the next one, which looks like we're going to be playing Rollzard. Ooh, that sounds cool. So let me open this up. Where is the link to the view game page? So we playing Rollzard next. So I'm going to give Roll the Pattern a rating real quick. All right then, and then there was another game too, a GeoJam game. Screen Split. So let me look up that one really quick as well, just so I have it queued up. Ah, there we go. Yes, I found it. Okay, so I'll keep this one queued up, so when we run out of the queue for GMTK Jam games, we can do that one. All right, let's take a look at Rollzard. So, Rollzard is a game made in 48 hours during the GMTK Game Jam 2022. The theme was Roll of the Dice. On the game, the player controls a magical wizard. Magical, I just read that word right into there. A small wizard with powers randomly selected by 6 sides of a magical dice. This is my first Game Jam game. All art and code was made by me. Hope you enjoy. All right, then. So this is by Strella. So let's go ahead and start it. WSD, arrow keys to move, K or Z to cast spells. Okay. 0 or X to skip your turn. Okay, I'm going to put these instructions on the other monitor so I can reference them. And then I'm going to extract this. All right then, let's take a look. Okay, very cool visuals right off the bat. All right, let's do play. K equals cast. Okay, very cool, like little turn-based game. Oof. All right. Very cool. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's a giant meteor. Okay. I see, okay. That's a cool ability, so I can just go in a straight line. Oops, yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay. So when it's red, I don't want to do that. Die! Okay, this is very cool, very cool. So what does the ice cube do? I suppose I can push that into enemies. And there's quite a variety of spells, that's very cool. So, okay, here we go, fire. Boom! Get incinerated. Okay, so there's another enemy over here. The art is very nice. I like the art a lot. Hello, Mateus. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Oh, can I do this? Oh, no, don't kill me. Nice. All right, this is really cool. Okay, new enemy type. Little Reapers. Let's see. So I have flames first. Ooh, the Reapers do a big attack. That meteor is super cool. The ice cube. Does the ice cube go by itself? Oh no. Is that a 2-for-1 arrow? Oh, yes, I got 2-for-1 on that arrow. This is really awesome because it makes you feel like you're executing complicated combos. Yes, let's retry. Okay, I think I got the hang of it now. Let's go again. It slides. Okay, I thought I had to push it, but that's good to know that I don't have to do that. I also really like how you can hit yourself with your spells. It makes you have to think about what you're doing. Like I just basically killed myself with that fire. Oh, I did it again. Okay, I gotta stop doing that. Okay. One of these days I will manage to use my abilities properly. There we go. Just plop an ice cube right on that one. Nice. Okay. Got through the first one pretty easily. Yep, exactly. Any key. Yep. Yeah, so when I press a key, everything moves, including myself and my spells. And so I have to be very, very careful. Hey, David, welcome back to the stream. Good to see you again. So I have to be very careful with how I'm doing things. So I just killed that Reaper. Excellent. So yeah, you can basically take as long as you need on each turn to figure out how you want to move. Oh, that Reaper didn't die. Is the Reaper immune to the fireballs, maybe? Got him. Awesome. Level 2 down. I really really like this. This has a very big potential to be fleshed out into a full game. I could definitely see it in like a roguelike formula where your abilities are your random abilities are determined by your run. So kind of like the collectible, or not the collectible card games, but like, you know, like Slay the Spire, you collect random cards. Same deal here, except with abilities, and they're randomly selected for you, and you have to be careful how you're using them. Very cool concept. And it's super engaging. Also, fairly challenging. I have to be very careful with what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, let's go hunt some slimes. 2 for 1. Send that sliding. Oh, I have to push it. So I push it, and I pushed it the wrong way. Got him with the lightning bolt. Okay, so the strat seems to be to cast and run away, at least for the slimes. I don't think that works very well for the Reapers. Boom! Didn't even take a hit that time. Yes, this is Strella's game, yep. Oh my. Is this a boss? I think this is a boss. Oh, nope, it's not a boss because there's 2 of them. Okay. Oh no! So it shows you which direction the projectiles are going as well. So that's very helpful. Alright, I need to take out these ads. Oh no! Alright, let's give it one more good shot here because I'm pretty sure that's the last level. Get crushed. Gotta be sure not to take any damage on the early levels here. Oh. That meteor is so much fun to use. No! Alright, well, 2 health, can't take any more damage. Doesn't look like the enemies coordinate, it looks like they all act on their own, but I could be wrong there. Maybe Strella can tell us. Yeah, it's very fun. Definitely, I will link it after done with this playthrough. Definitely give this one a shot. Boom. Ooh, sniped the Reaper. I think in addition to seeing where the abilities are going to go, I think it would be nice to know where the enemies are going to go as well. Oops, dang it. Because I try to line up my shots for the Reaper, and then he moves in a way that I wasn't expecting. But I don't know if that would make the game too easy, so... Just thinking out loud. Oh, wow. Alright, one more shot. I killed myself on that one, basically. Okay, bubble's good, actually, so I need to be using that a little bit more. Oops. Okay. Stop attacking me. Okay, I've already taken 2 damage. Okay, well, we'll see how far I can get with this 1 health. Yeah, restarting all the way back is a little bit... I think I probably, for the jam at least, I would have preferred to just be able to restart the level that I died at. But for, like, if you were to turn this into a full, like, roguelike, obviously you would want to make it, like, a permanent death, right? But, yeah, for the jam, I definitely agree with the critique that perhaps if you die, you should just restart the level. But that's a super minor thing. All right, very cool. This game was a lot of fun. Thank you for sharing it with the stream. That was Rollzard by Lady Strella on itch. So I'm going to link this. Yeah, it was a very well-made game. A lot of fun. Really great concept. Overall, really, really good. Yeah, excellent work on this. All right, so I'm going to give this a rating off screen, and the next one that we have is RPGPG, and this is by KNHO on YouTube, and let's see, AAATRSH.h.io. So this is the one that we're going to be playing next. I'm going to give Rollzard a rating, and then we'll move on to that one. This is going so much nicer now that I actually have a system for getting games queued up. I don't have to worry about getting out of order, remembering things, whatever. It's just going right into the Excel sheet. Okay. And once again, you all can play my game, Ace of Sphynx Nightbot's linking it every so often, but it's also in the description. So if you want to check out my game, you can do so. Cool. RPG PG. Let me go grab a drink, and then we'll be right back to play this. All right, let's start. All right, so how to play. Oh, this game looks really cool. The art style already looks amazing. At the start of each turn, I roll 4 dice. Each number corresponds to an action that can be assigned to a hero. Very cool. Okay, wow, I am really eager to get into this one. This looks amazing already. Actions follow the order of the dice. The top dice goes first, the second goes second, etc. Each hero has 2 special abilities, Special 1 and Special 2. Warrior, top, can cleave, attack adjacent tiles, and counter an incoming attack. Rogue, middle, can stealth, dodge attacks, and stab, critical hit. Mage, bottom, can curse, deal lingering damage, and heal the weakest party member. Didn't have time to make a decent in-game tutorial, so this will have to do. That sounds good to me. Let's go. All right, animations are great right off the bat. Is there sound in this game, or is it just not playing? I guess I can try. Let's see. Special 2. Okay, all right, so let's... Oh, I see. I have to assign each one. Okay. No time for sound. Okay, no worries. Looks good. So, Special 1. Yes, let's do that one. Go. Okay, I see. All right. I got it. So I don't have any movement abilities, so let's do that. Let's do that. Do I have to? I don't have to use those, right? Yeah, okay, cool. So let's counter with the warrior. Let's block with the wizard and attack with the rogue and then block as well. Okay, so I didn't get any movement abilities that whole time. So I guess I probably could have just hit go and let the things come at me. So let's move forward with the big guy. Let's attack with the big guy. We're going to move back with the rogue, and we're going to attack with the wizard or the mage. Okay, so that attack didn't do anything. Okay, I got it. I got it now. All right, what is the special 2? Counter. No. Special 2. Well, I guess we can do a special 2 on that guy. Let's block with the wizard, or the mage, rather. And that's fine. Okay. Special 1. Dodge all attacks for 1 round. Yes. Yes. Oh no, my mage is gonna die. There's a big issue with movement in this game. That's a main thing I wish I could fix. Yeah, one thing that you could do is just give movement every turn, and the dice are only for the abilities that you can use. Because, like, the movement is critical, right? Like, that part probably shouldn't rely on randomness. But the abilities being a random selection, and I like how you have to allocate or ration the abilities between all of your heroes. That's a really cool idea, because in typical like turn-based games, right, each hero goes and they can each do a certain amount of abilities, but to have a limited number of abilities that you have to divide amongst the heroes is a very, very cool idea. And I like how it's playing out in this game. If I do heal the weakest hero, does that do it on myself? Let's try it. My rogue is going to get destroyed. Okay, so heal yourself does work. Special 1. Yeah, he needs to use special 1. Let's move back. Nope. Can I reassign? Sweet, I can reassign. Awesome. All right, go. Haha! Got one of the imps. West of Loathing? I'm not aware of that one. Do I know that Godot has the least Steam games in competition with? I think that means it has the most complete games. I don't know what you mean exactly. It is the least Steam games in competition with Unity Unreal. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. If you want to elaborate a little bit. Let's see if the rogue can pull off a critical hit here. We're going to move the wizard forward, or the mage. I keep saying wizard. It's a mage, right? Hazel. We'll call her Hazel. Let's move the big guy back. Let's go. Ooh, was that a crit? I think I got a crit on that one. All right, so I'm going to move forward. I'm going to do special 2 on that one. I'm going to do special 1 on Hazel. Let's go. We're going to do special 1 on the big guy, special 2 on Hazel. We're going to block on Hazel, and we're going to say that's good. Awesome. Okay. What might also be interesting, too, for this game is having, like, a move up and down. So if I wanted to, I could take the big guy and have him body block for the other smaller heroes, right? Can I do 2 heals? Ooh, I like it. Wait, I could do 3 heals. Let's go. Yes. I really like how you left that open for the player to do, where I could just stack up all of the abilities on a single hero if I wanted to. That's really cool. That was really cool. Okay, so I only have movement abilities here, so let's move Hazel back, and we'll keep everyone else the same. Ooh, he got hit hard. Okay, let's do a block on him. Let's do a special, why not? And we'll go. Nice! Special 2 for the heal. We're going to block. Okay. Another special 2, set of special 2s here. NemRD. West of Loathing is hilarious. It's made of stick figures and tells a really cool story. Fighting minigames are a bit like this. Okay, interesting. I'll have to check it out. Fat Man, if you want to, you can just use the form to submit the game so I can keep track of it. I'll just play whatever gets submitted to the form. And if you want to just leave a note that says, hey, it's not mine or whatever, that's also fine. Hey, you're welcome, Calendar. Thanks for sharing it with the stream. That was fun. Hope I'm saying your name right as well. Let's go ahead and attack. Boom, I won. That's the whole game. All right. That was a lot of fun. Really awesome. I love the mechanic. Love the ideas of rationing randomized abilities between your heroes. Super, super, super cool idea there. So I would definitely encourage you to keep building on this, because I haven't seen anything quite like that in a turn-based game yet. I don't know if it exists or not, but I haven't personally seen anything like that. The art is absolutely gorgeous. And that's basically all I can say. I think I basically gave all my critiques already. Like, I think I would explore making movement free every turn, so I have a little bit more control over the positioning of my heroes. Yeah, I don't know if there's much else to say beyond that, though. So awesome. That was really, really cool. So thank you for sharing that. I liked this one a lot. I liked it a lot. Thank you for sharing. And I especially liked how I could stack up all the abilities. Because with typical turn-based games, right, like you have a certain amount of energy, and so one hero can only do so much every turn. But that's not the case in this game, right? I can throw all of the dice on the same hero if I want, which opens up a whole like level of strategy. Yeah, very cool. I am going to go ahead and rate this off screen, but I'll get the next one queued up here. The next one is nicest game ever. So I'm going to rate RPG PG, RPG PG real quick. Okay. On we go to nicest game ever. And this is by Dev by Mark. All right. Let's take a look at this. You're welcome, KNHO. You're welcome for playing. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions for this one. Nicest game ever. I just made the world's nicest game ever. My official game entry for GMTK Game Jam. Okay, so it looks like I hope that there's going to be a tutorial in game. So let's go ahead and go. Dev by Mark, here we go. How to play. Move the die toward your preferred operation and number on the board. Match 69 by completing the operation. Use the arrow keys to move. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make some embarrassing math skills here. So I need to get to 68. 6. Wait a minute, what did I do? Oh, what happened? 13.8. Okay, hold on a second. So I want to get to 60. Oh, I want to get to 69, right? So plus 1. Okay, so now it went down. So plus 5. Oh, I see. I get the joke now. The nicest game ever. I get the joke now. Okay, very clever. $207. How are you going to do this to me? Well, it's obvious got to be divided by. And is it 6? Nope. I was exactly wrong. 13.8. Man, you're really challenging my ability to do math. Is it 4? Did I get it? Oh boy. 23 times 3, right? Oh, do I have to stay on the platform? So if I do minus 2. Okay. Okay. I got it. Okay, let's retry. Let's see how good I can get my score here. Is it the same sequence of numbers every time? Probably not, huh? So let's do divided by. I have no clue what this is, so let's just do 3. And I got it wrong. That's cool. Let's do plus. So I guess the strategy would just be to get it wrong immediately if you don't know the answer. Because then you lose less time. So this one's going to be 5, right? Oh, nope. $71 times... Oh, nope, not times. Minus 2. 34.5. Times 2. 67. Plus 2. 72. Minus 3. Okay. Okay, I've got it now. Oh, 69 minus... Wait, it's on 69. How am I supposed to do this? Guess just fail. 67. Oops. No! Times 2. 71. $207 divided by 3. Got it. Oops. No. Yeah, so that's a piece of feedback I would have. So if I accidentally hit the wrong operation, to either instantly fail me if it's not a possible operation or to let me redo it, right? Because otherwise I do it and then I have nothing to do with myself, right? Other than just go up and intentionally fail, I suppose. But yeah, funny joke. The nicest game ever, trying to get to 69 with all of the... Oh, 69 times 1, that's right. Okay. Yes, you're correct. Okay, yep. Very clever. Yeah, so the game itself, the gameplay was pretty engaging. Yeah, it was somewhat challenging. I mean, I'm sure if you're a math whiz, you'd probably get it, but a lot of times I just had to guess which number I thought would get me to 69 just by using guesstimation. And sometimes that worked and sometimes it didn't. The time pressure was really cool. Forced me to make interesting decisions. And so I think if you wanted to make this a little bit more mechanically complex, what you could do is add some dynamic events to the board itself, right? Like, you know, okay, I wanted to add, 5 or whatever, but 5 is blocked for some reason. I don't really know, but I think add some dynamic events to the board. Make it super goofy. Maybe you could combine operators, right? So it's an order of operations. So you have plus and then a multiplication. So you got to hit them in the right order if you wanted to go to the next level difficulty. But yeah, pretty simple game, but pretty engaging and very funny joke. So, so yeah, that was a solid entry overall. So thank you for sharing. That was great. Yeah, math is, I'm embarrassingly bad at math. I should be better than I am. And I'm not great. So what are you going to do? And I took 3 calculus classes in college, and I still don't even know what calculus is for. So that tells you how good my college education was. Hello, Top 10 Anywhere. Welcome back to the stream. All right, so I'm going to rate this game off screen, and then I will queue up the next one. All right, so the next one we got going on is Decent. Scent spelled S-C-E-N-T. And this is by Amir Salman. So let's go. All right, let me rate the nicest game ever. All right, then. Is the dev for Descent here? Yeah, that's a good question. Amir Salman. I don't really, I don't really mind. A lot of streamers will not play the game if the submitter is not around, but I'm just gonna go through the queue because it's just easier to do that instead of waiting around. I was looking last night to submit my game to some streamers, but I couldn't find anyone streaming GMTK Jams games, so I don't know if everyone's doing it today or if there's just no one doing it anymore. Very interesting. In GDScript, it's easy to do math because all you have to do is select the problem and then press Control-Shift-E. Oh, interesting. I did not know that. That'll be a handy trick to keep in mind. All right, let's read the page for Descent. When I say Descent, all I think is the Key and Peele skit D-Nice, where they're just pronouncing every name wrong. Okay, a game where you play as a dice rolling down a hill. This game was made for GMTK Jam. Controls, space jump. All right, can't get much more simple than that. Let's go. All right. Options. Nice. Volume slider. Very good. We'll just keep it at half. Unless that's too low. No, that looks probably too low to me. Okay, that should be a good level. Let's start. Nice animation. Nice, you got a 3. Medium speed. Try to get as far as you can with that. Okay, so I've got a little jump meter here that I can only jump when it's full. Okay, all right. Yes, get that speed up. Oof. So apparently the dice roll changes your speed here. So you could get a very high speed to start with. Game over. Let's try again. Oh, 2 is high speed. Try avoiding obstacles. So I guess a 2 is a higher speed than a 3. Okay, so it's reverse. The music is very soothing. It looks like the music is original too, am I right? Like based on what the game page said? Very, very soothing. This is something like you'd hear on like the lo-fi live stream YouTube channel. It's very nice. I also like the little Die character. He looks terrified. Epic guitar solo coming in. So I'm basically just going to use my jump to prevent myself from stopping. Otherwise, I'm just going to let it go. No. Cool. I don't think that there's going to be anything else in the game, otherwise I would have encountered it. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. Yeah, so I don't think there's going to be anything else in the game. So what I'll say is I like the feeling of speed. The infinite level is really good. I like the art. I like the presentation. The music is great. But in terms of gameplay, there's not a whole lot here. So what I would have liked to see as a player would be some kind of more dangerous obstacle, maybe some items that I could... Well, the thing is I don't have a lot of control over my movement either. I can only jump when I hit the ground. So maybe giving the player some more movement options, adding a little bit of extra events into the game, I think would go a long way, because people like to play these games where you go super fast, right? I talked about the cat cannon game, that flash game that people liked to play, you know, or just maybe still like to play, I don't know. But the reason people like that game is because there was a lot to it, right? There was like stuff to keep you going, and lots of different environment elements and gameplay elements. And people like to go fast, so you just gotta enable that. You just gotta lean into it. Like give the player more opportunities to go fast, either with their input or without their input. But this is, yeah, right here, it's just like, I'm just letting it go until I hit the ground, and then I press space. Cool. Well, thank you for sharing the game. That was from Amir Salman. L0 Lordy. L0rdi.itch.io. I keep forgetting to send the game in the chat, so here's the game. If y'all want to check it out. All right. I'm going to get the next one queued up while I rate this one. And the next one we've got is Not Your Pawn. So this is the one we'll play next. Let me do a rating on Descent. All right, then. So this is by Just Heligar on YouTube. Butteredcoffee.itch.io. Not Your Pawn. So the art looks amazing right off the bat here from the background here. So let's go ahead and read what we've got going on. All right. F for full screen. Okay, that's good to know. In this action arcade game, you play as a sentient pawn fighting other chess pieces. Throw dice to roll them and hit your enemies with the correct numbers. Okay, so it's similar to the idea that I did with hitting the enemies with the correct dice. So I'm curious to see what your take on it on that idea is. Turn the volume up. The submission volume is pretty low for some reason. Made with Unity, F full screen. Oh, there we go. Okay, the art is absolutely beautiful. I can move with WASD. All right, this is looking cool already. You know what log 9 times 69 minus log 2 is? Is it 420? All right. Let's go ahead and start moving. Okay, this is a very well presented tutorial. The game looks phenomenal, and I like how you're telling me how to play in an interactive manner. That takes a lot of effort. Here we go. What is this? Okay, so I've got to throw this... Click to throw your dice at enemies. Oh, very crunchy. Let me turn up the audio so y'all can hear it. Only odd numbered dice will hurt this one. Okay, so 1 is odd. Wow, very cool. Yes, I like this a lot. The throw feels really, really good. So I'm going to hit him with that. It doesn't do anything. Okay, yeah, excellent. Yep, this is my kind of game right here. Even, odd. This feels amazing. The throwing is really satisfying. Ooh, that's a new one. I don't know what I need to do to kill him, though. Oh, less than 4. Okay, I didn't know what that symbol was at first, so maybe just a minor nitpicky thing is give me a moment to parse what I'm looking at the first time he shows up, because I didn't know what I was doing at first. But now I do. Oops. That feels really good. The dice bouncing around and sliding around and rolling around is awesome. I like how you can bounce them off the walls to hit the enemies if you want. Oops. I'm trying to be fancy now. Go! I'm just going for style points. I've got 1 health left, it looks like. Ooh, I forgot I could dash. Okay, I'm dashing now. That's not an odd number. Oh. Very cool. Yeah, this is great. Oh! R to restart. Yes, I'm restarting. I'm going to beat this game. Yeah. The problem with every game having a dice graphic is like, the theme is so... I don't know what you're supposed to do about it, right? Like, roll of the dice, what are you supposed to think of? Like, how are you supposed to do that theme without including dice? I mean, it's in the theme, right? It's not as vague as it could be, which means that you're getting a lot of the same, you know, visuals, right? So I think it's a problem with the theme, honestly, because you could make a game without explicit dice in it, and then everyone would be like, how does this game fit the theme, you know? So that's my opinion. It's just kind of like a bad theme, but that's only my opinion. For what that's worth. Yeah, this game's a lot of fun. I don't know. I honestly don't know what to say other than you know, this game feels like it should be a top 100 game. So if this game doesn't place in the top 100, that's a travesty in my opinion. Super high quality. The sound is very low, which is unfortunate because I would like to be able to hear the sound a little bit better. From what I can tell, it sounds okay. I gotta crank my speakers up. Yeah, so the sound is wonderful. I just wish it was a little bit louder. But that's just a super minor thing that can be overlooked. Oh, I see I have a timer up there. What is the timer for? Am I doing something wrong? Sometimes I feel like I hit the enemies with the correct dice and it doesn't do anything. And I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong or if sometimes the hits aren't registering. But again, I'm just scraping the barrel for things that I could say at this point. It's just really excellent overall. Oops. Oh, I missed. Yeah, this is feeling great. I like how the dice bounce off of each other as well. That adds a lot of dynamism to the game. It just feels like everything feels bouncy and fun. Yeah, this one could definitely be made into a full game as well. Like, I would love to see more characters introduced, more mechanics. Oh, no! Well, here's a nitpicky thing. For Game Jam games, I would recommend making it as easy for the player to just keep playing as possible. Because it's very discouraging to have to restart. Even if your game is really awesome, I got so far and now I have to restart. So I would like to just be able to maybe just reset the current wave and let me go from there. Again, super minor thing, super minor nitpick, but that would be my recommendation to you, is just make your game super easy to just keep playing until it's over. Especially if you've got something interesting at the end of the game. Like, if you make people restart, they're never going to see all the effort that you put in at the end. Like, if you have a boss at the end or something, which I'm expecting that you do, some people may not experience it because they have to restart. So, but I'm kind of, I really want to see what's in store for me. Get destroyed. Oh no. Nope, missed. I love just chucking the dice at oh, give me that. I like how you introduce the bishop, which has ranged attacks. That's super cool. Odd. 1 or a 6. I don't have a 1 or a 6 on the board. Ooh, got that one. Even. Oh. There's a 1. Let's get rid of that guy right off the bat. Oops, that has to be less than. Yep, there we go. Kill that guy. Boom. Ooh. 3. Nice. I was expecting there to be a new character. A new piece, rather. So that one just randomizes. That's super cool. Oh, and he chases me. Oh, wow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. No! Little bit of panic mode right there. Oh, now there's 2 of them. Oh, no, not 2. Okay, we'll get rid of that guy. Yes! Okay, this is the queen. Oh, the queen has multiple health. Got it. I've got 3 seconds? What does that mean? Oh, that's until the next wave. Got it. So I'm assuming I have to hit the queen with all of the numbers. Oh, I really want to win. Okay. No, pick it up. There we go. Yes, 5. 6, I got the queen. Did I win? Yes! Yeah, that felt really good. Whew, that was getting my blood pumping a little bit there. I was very nervous. I had 1 health, but I pulled out the clutch. I'd like to thank you all for all the support. That was fun. Excellent game. Yeah, I think my honestly my biggest critique is like I wish I didn't have to replay the game a bunch of times to get to the end. I would have loved to just have a great first experience all the way through and then But it was fun to keep trying, so maybe that's not super important. But yeah, really, really cool. I like it a lot. Matching the dice heals you. Oh, okay, I must have missed that then. I won anyway, though. I won a hard mode, I suppose. Yeah, the art is gorgeous. The game plays really well. I don't know what else to say other than this was awesome, awesome game. Thanks for sharing that. That was awesome. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give this a rating, and then it looks like the next one, we're going to be playing a GeoJam game because we have nothing left in the GMTK queue. This is Screen Split, and this is by Lanky 787. Or 787? No, that's not right. Lanky 387, right? So yeah, thanks for sharing the game, Just Heligar. Appreciate it. So we'll be playing this one next. I'll give Not Your Pawn a rating. That definitely deserves like to be in the top 100 for sure. If not top 20. All right, let's go ahead and play Screen Split. And it looks like unless anyone else pops in with some GMTK games, probably that'll be it for tonight after we play this one. So we'll see what happens. Short little stream tonight. All right, Screen Split. This was not submitted for GMTK. This was GeoJam. So let's see how this looks. So how to play, press space to jump, A, D, or arrow keys to teleport between the two sides of the screen and dodge lasers. The theme was pick a side. Okay. Press space to jump, A and D, or arrow keys to teleport behind. Okay. Oh, is the audio too loud? Let's see. Turn it down a little bit. All right, let's try that. Maybe it needs to be a little bit lower. Okay, there we go. Sorry, 1 second. No more 1 million subscriber YouTuber stuff, yeah. Basically, I mean, people just have to find this stream in order for me to play games, so if no one's finding the stream, then there will be no games to play. Okay, I am garbage. Let's try again. Yeah, the visuals are really nice. Oh, I pressed space. Okay, let's try again. Why am I not jumping when I press space? Maybe, I guess it's rhythm based, so I gotta like time it. There we go. And I got lasered from orbit. I like the effects, yeah. The visuals, although the actual like sprites are simple, the glow and the animations really take it up a notch. You know, so it's like, it's more than the sum of its parts. Wow. Yeah, the glow, honestly, the glow makes the visuals. Okay, I'm getting the rhythm now. And I got baited right into a laser. Just some rectangles, yeah. No! Okay. Very fun. I like the rhythm aspect of it. I wish the hitboxes were a tad bit more forgiving so I could be a little bit late or early on some of these jumps and still survive. I think my other piece of feedback would be that the difficulty ramps up a little bit too quickly for a first-time player. Like, I know kind of what I'm doing right now, but when I first started the game, I didn't really know what was happening, so I just kept dying every time. So maybe just a little bit more of a easier ramp up just to cater to the first-time players. But I like it. I like it overall. Yeah, again, the visuals look great despite being relatively simple, which is awesome. Dang it. 16:23, what is that in American time? It's like 4 p.m., right? 4:30? Oops. You decided to run a script for 8 hours? What kind of script are you running that's doing 8 hours? Are you like parsing the world's geography data? Or the, what's it called? Geolocation data? Oh my goodness. Script running for 8 hours. That's, wow, I would hate to be babysitting that thing. I'd be nervous, like, every hour that passes, like, oh no, it's gonna crash. Yeah, that's a tough one. Lecky256. Oh, so you did make the sound. Yeah, I like the music. The rhythm is really nice. Web scraping from a supplier. Oh, yeah. Classic suppliers not having an API for you. I gotta get past like 100 at least. Come on. Yeah, see, I feel like that should just let me live right there because I was just a tad early. Yeah, the saws and I think maybe everything is just a little bit too sudden. Like, I'm not accustomed to rhythm games, and so I don't have like the practice, I guess, that I would need to react fast enough to these things. So maybe just like give me a little bit more time to react. But I like it overall. It feels really nice. I'm getting the hang of like when to press the buttons due to the rhythm as I die. But yeah, really solid. Thank you for sharing. What did this get placed in the jam, if you don't mind saying, in the Geo Jam? Do you realize that when you get more than 9, one screen has 1 digit and the other has the other digit, so you have less than you think? Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. It's 2 separate scores. 14th. That's pretty good. Yeah, you should be proud of that one. All right, let's give it a couple more tries here. Pay actual attention to the game. Okay, I made that one. Dang it. All right, let's go again. I do like that it's deterministic every time though, so I can actually practice and get better. I really appreciate that. I'm just gonna plop myself here. No, I got baited again. I was gonna die if I jumped right there. I should have switched over. Oh my goodness. Well, very cool game. I like it. Again, visuals are great. The music is good. I was getting the hang of it. The rhythm was matching. I just wish it was just maybe a little bit easier. Hitbox is a little bit smaller and give me a little bit more time to react because I don't play rhythm games, and so yeah. Oh, and also just make the difficulty ramp up a little bit slower. And that was try to get over 60. All right. One more time and I'll try to see if I can do it. Let's focus really hard now. Do I stay here now? I forgot. Nope. I do not stay there. All right, let's go. So I believe that there's going to be lasers on the right, and then I can probably go over here now. Nope. Now no! Okay, so I was pressing D that time, and it wouldn't take my input, so I don't know what happened there. Oh, I did get over 60 though. Okay, let's try to beat 64 real quick. All right, last one for real. Oof. So that hitbox there must have been lingering a little bit longer than the visual as well. That was fun though. Thank you for sharing that. Oh, I can click. Look at that. Yeah, you did a lot of good stuff with the visuals despite them being very simple, so great work on that as well. Screen split. I'll go ahead and link that in case anyone else wants to play. Cool. All right, well, we have no more games in the GMTK stream queue, so I guess no one wants their games played. I don't have much of a stream following, so that's to be expected. You're welcome, Lanky. Thank you for sharing. Cool. Well, I think that'll be it for the stream tonight. We'll just do a little bit of a short one here. It's still about 2 hours, so that was fun. Definitely not the 5-hour stream that we did yesterday, but still a good sized stream here. So once again, if you want to play my game Ace of Sphynx, it's in the description below. I appreciate any and all comments, and yeah, I don't know if I'll do another stream. We'll see. So, all right. Have a good evening, morning. Oh, you did? What did you think, Just Heligar? Almost 2 hours, yeah. It was really good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for sharing all of your games, and yeah, have a good day, evening, morning, and see you in the next stream. I will make those shorts, yes. Thank you. Thank you.